Coming to you from international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was in McPherson, Kansas. Yeah, right. What was I doing there? Well, there's a college out there that Will from Big Oak Garage went to for their hot rods and restoration program. Maybe I think it's called. Anyways, it's a 2-year degree in fixing and making hot rods, from what I understand. It served him well, and it was the 20th anniversary of the car show, and so Will wanted to go back out there, and we did. And one of the things I found out there interesting was this 61 Impala I think y'all gonna like. So anyways, let me get the camera turned on. We'll take a quick look at it. Brett, cool car. Tell me a little bit about it.
It's a 61 Impala, custom paint, got a 409 dual quad, 4-speed. Beach Boys probably like it a lot.
Right.
It's a car I bought from my dad a couple years ago, and we've been going through getting things sorted and doing a little work on it here and there, but mostly just having a lot of fun.
Your dad, did he build it?
No, I work for a magazine and I cover car auctions, and I took him with me to one. He found the car and fell in love, and Dad's in his 70s and he's got bad knees, and decided after driving it 10 miles he didn't care for a heavy clutch.
Right.
So I wound up buying it from him.
Well, the thing is too, is you say it's got a 4-speed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 409?
Yes, sir.
It's still like a bench seat?
Yes, sir.
Is that what they call that? I mean, it's split, so I'm not sure. A bench seat, like the whole back does, right?
It's a true bench.
Cool. No, it's still got that, like, I don't want to say old school.
Well, it is.
But yeah, but when you think old school, not this level. This is a deal where it's a very nice driver.
It is.
Yeah.
It is a very nice driver.
And up underneath, it's all stock up underneath there. Have you upgraded that stuff too?
A little bit of suspension work on it. Double A arms up front. Global West suspension.
Take a little sway out of it.
Yeah,
a little float out of it.
Heavy duty anti-sway bars front and rear. It drives awful nice for what it is.
I bet. And that 409, that's like an old school 409, or is that a new?
No, they quit making 409s in 1965. It's been breathed on a little bit, and a lot of polished parts on it, that sort of thing.
Is carburetor fuel injected?
Oh, dual quads, two 4-barrels.
Oh, so you still got to wait for it to warm up.
A little bit, yeah.
Cool. No, man, I know everybody likes when I cover the high-end customs, but they like to see these really nice drivers too, and that's what you got, brother.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
No, thanks for your time.
Oh, absolutely.
So there you go from the 2019 McPherson Annual Car Show. 20th anniversary, a 1961 Impala. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.